Potato, are you ready to have class today? Ready?
Yeah.
Good. All right. So last time, Potato, what we had was we did Unit 1 for movers. So this evening, we're going to do Unit 2. Okay? So here
Yeah.
we go. Let me share this. Oh, wait. Where's my Unit 2? Okay. Here we go. Wait me for a while. I'll move my sharing. All right. Here it is. Can you see? Unit 2. Can you see it? Can you see it, Potato? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Can you?
Yes.
All right. That's great. Okay. So what is Unit 2 all about? Potato.
Animal. Animal.
All right. So Unit 2 is all about animals. Animals. Okay, let's talk about animals. So here, Potato, I have here 15 animals. I want you to say what's their name, and later I'll ask you to write the correct spelling of their name. So, but first, let's go first with number 1. What is the animal in
Okay.
number 1? What's number 1? What's this? This is
Number one.
yeah, what is this? It's a,
A. Is a.
what animal do you call to number 1?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. How about number 2? What is the animal name number 2? It's a, number 2,
It's a rabbit.
rabbit. Number 3, what's number 3? It's a
It's kangaroo.
kangaroo, correct. Number 4, it's a very small creature. What's number 4?
It is
It's
mosquito.
it's a mosquito. Is it a mosquito or a fly? What do you
A
think?
fly.
A fly. Okay, next. How about number 5? Animal 5. We have here is the
Dolphin.
dolphin. Number 6. 6 is a
Panda.
correct. 7. What is number 7? 7 is a, what's this? A very
Then
cute animal.
parrot.
A parrot, correct. How about 8? What's the name of the animal number 8? It's a
It's a lion.
lion. How about number 9?
Lion.
It's a number 9 is a,
Lion.
it starts with letter L.
Lion.
Huh? Number 9. How about number 9?
Lizard.
A lizard, correct. How about animal 10? 10. 10. 10 is a, what is that? Oh, 10 is here.
Penguin.
Oh, penguin. Hi, Putin. Hello. Oh, Putin is already with hello. Oh, Putin knows how to say hello. Very good. Okay. How about number 11, potato? Potato, 11. 11 is
Snail.
a snail. Correct. How about number 12? Number 12 is What's 12?
Fish.
Come on, potato. It's a
Jellyfish.
jellyfish. How about number 13? How about number 13? It's a 13.
Zebra.
Zebra. And how about 14? How about 14? Or just let
Donkey.
donkey. And last number, number 15. It's a color white. And it's also
It's bear.
bear. What kind of bear is number 15? It lives
Cold bear.
a polar bear. Okay. Now, potato, I want you to write the names of this animal. Let's try to know if you know the spelling of these names. Okay? Can you write the spelling of their names correctly? Potato, can you write or no?
Yes.
Okay, go. But if you don't know the name, how about number 1? You know what's number 1?
No.
Okay, look at number 1. Oh, what is number 1? It's a
Bear.
bear. Okay, how about the other numbers? Okay, potato, let me check if you know how to spell the words correctly. Okay, go. Write the names
Yeah.
of these animals, numbers 2 until 15. But if you don't know the name, that's okay. Just leave it blank, okay? Just write the name of the animals that you know.
I don't know. My my iPad don't write.
Don't write. Okay, don't write na lang. Don't write. So teacher will be the one to reveal it, okay? Number 2 is rabbit, correct?
Wait.
3,
Number
kangaroo,
correct.
because, yeah, correct. Oh, number 4 is a fly. It looks like a mosquito, but the real name is a fly. 5, correct, your dolphin. 6, that's panda. 7, correct, it's a parrot. 8 is a lion. 9, lizard. 10, penguin. 11 is a snail. 12 is jellyfish. Oh, where does jellyfish lives, potato? Where do you think jellyfish lives? Lives
The sea.
in the sea, correct.
The
We
sea
have
is a
zebra.
sea.
Oh, donkey. And the last one is a polar bear. Very good, potato, because you know the names of these animals. Now, potato, among all the 15 animals in the screen, what animal do you like?
Huh?
What animal do you like?
I like. I like dolphin.
Oh, dolphin. You chose dolphin. Where does a dolphin lives, potato?
Dolphin live in the zone.
Oh, in the where? Again?
I don't know.
In the ocean, in the sea. They live in water. Okay. Potato, why do you choose dolphin? Why you like dolphin? I like dolphin because...
I like dolphin, but dolphin fun to answer.
Again? Because dolphin? Again, tell me why you like dolphin. Because dolphin? I like dolphin because, can you tell me? Is it cute? Are they friendly? What do you think? Why you chose dolphin?
Dolphin is friendly.
Oh, it's a friendly animal. That's why you chose it. Okay, now here. How about potato? What animal are you afraid of? Come on, potato. What animal are you afraid of? I'm afraid of what?
I'm afraid of snail.
Snail. Why you are afraid of snail? Snail is small. Why are you afraid of it? I'm afraid of
I don't
snail
know.
because
Snail
you say it.
because
Because
I don't like snail.
oh, you don't like snail. So that's the reason why you don't like it. You're afraid of it because you don't like it. Okay. How about potato? Which animal here do you think is beautiful? Which animal is beautiful? It's a
And that's
what is it? A beautiful animal. It come on, choose.
beautiful
Which,
animal is
mm,
pirate.
oh, how about ugly? How about ugly animal? Which one do you think is ugly?
Bear.
Bear. How about a funny animal? When you look at it, you can smile and you will laugh at it because it's a funny animal. What is it? A funny. When you
Huh?
look at it, yeah, funny animal. When you look at it, you find it funny. Which one is a funny
It's
animal?
a rabbit.
It's a rabbit. Okay. How about dangerous animal? That when you look at it, you don't like it because you think that it will bite you. Oh, which one is a dangerous animal? Not good to take care of. It's the, come on,
Kangaroo.
kangaroo.
I don't
Why?
know.
What is it?
Lion.
Lion. Why lion is dangerous for you? Why you chose
I don't
lion?
know.
Huh?
I don't
Does a lion,
know.
can a lion bite you? Can it bite us?
Yeah.
Oh, have you seen a real lion? Potato? Have you
Yes.
seen a real lion? Yes or no?
Yes.
Where? Where did you see a lion?
In the zoo.
In the zoo. Okay. Very good. Now here, potato, I want you to look at these 5 pictures, okay? So which part of the crocodile can you see? Look at number 1. What part of the crocodile is that? Number 1 is a, what is that?
Number one is crocodile.
Yeah, what part of the crocodile? Is it the crocodile's feet? Is it the crocodile's stomach? What part of the crocodile is that?
I don't know.
Look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? I can see crocodiles. What is it?
I can see crocodile.
Crocodiles.
Crocodile.
This
Crocodile
one.
is
What do you call?
high. High.
Huh? Look at the answer. It's Potato. It's head or
no.
nose. Oh, look at here. Oh, in picture number 1, we can see crocodile's head and nose. Okay, how about picture 2? What is that in picture number 2? It's crocodile's what?
Crocodile is
Crocodile's what?
I don't know.
Huh? You don't know? Look at carefully the picture. Which part of the crocodile's body is that? Where you can see the teeth, the tongue, and you use it for eating. What part of the crocodile is that?
Eating.
Huh? What part of the crocodile's body is that? Potato. Stop playing. Come on. What?
It's mouth and teeth.
Oh, very good. Mouth and teeth. How about number 3? Which part of the crocodile is that? It's the
Foot
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 and leg. Okay. How about number 4? Which part of the crocodile is number 4? Number 4 is crocodile's what? Crocodile's
Crocodile is tail.
tail. Very good. Next, how about number 5? How about number 5?
Number what? 5 is egg and crocodile.
Okay, very good. It's the crocodile's egg. Correct. Great job, Potato. You know the parts of the crocodile. Now here, Potato, you're going to answer me with yes or no, okay? I have here 7 questions about crocodiles, and you're going to tell me, is it yes, correct, or it's no? Okay, Potato. Number 1, please read question number 1. What's number 1? Come on. Please read.
Do crocodile open their eyes
Only
when
live.
they are swimming?
Again. Do crocodiles only live in rivers? Again. Read properly. Do. Potato. Come on. Do crocodiles
Do crocodiles only live in the river?
or is it yes or no? Do
Yes.
crocodiles only live? Okay, your answer, Potato's answer is yes. Okay, number 2. How about number 2? Read number 2. Do crocodiles
Do crocodiles open their eyes when they're swimming?
again? Do crocodiles open their eyes when they are swimming?
Open their eyes when they're swimming.
Okay, what is the answer, Potato? Do crocodiles open their eyes?
Yes.
Oh, your answer is yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Still a yes. Next, number 3. Can crocodiles, please read. Come on, read. Can?
And crocodiles swim and walk? No.
No. Next, number 4. What's 4?
Do crocodiles
Have
lots of teeth?
lots of
Yes.
Yes, lots. There's S. Pronounce S. Next, number 5. Do. How about 5?
5. Do crocodile eat bird?
Do crocodiles eat birds? What's the answer?
No.
No. Crocodiles don't eat birds. Okay. How about 6?
6
6.
6. 6.
Mm.
It's safe to go swimming with a crocodile?
Yeah?
No.
No. Why no? Why it's not safe, Potato, to swim with crocodile?
I don't know.
You don't know.
But
Okay.
crocodile is so.
It's so?
It's so crocodile.
What is it? Okay, how about number 7? Number 7 is a baby. Please read 7.
A baby crocodile inside is 8 hot and wet.
20 weeks. Again, 20 weeks.
Weeks.
Okay, is a baby crocodile inside its egg for 20 weeks? Yes or no?
20 weeks. Yeah.
Yes. Let's see. Okay, Potato. Are you excited to check your answers? Let's see your answers now. Ready? Ready? Potato,
Yeah.
are you ready? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check. All right, here we go. Here, number 1. Do crocodiles only live in rivers? The answer is, oh, Potato, it's no. Okay, you can find many crocodiles in many parts of the world.
No.
Some crocodiles
No.
only live in rivers, but some crocodiles can live in the sea too. Oh, so meaning, Potato, crocodiles doesn't only live in rivers, but they can also live in the sea. Okay, that's why it's a no. Number 2, do crocodiles open their eyes when they are swimming? Very good. Correct. Yes. When crocodiles swim, they can see. Their mouths are under the water, but their eyes are above the water. And crocodile's eyes are on top of its head. Next, number 3. Can crocodiles swim and walk? The answer is yes. It's not no, Potato. Crocodiles can swim. They can also walk. Okay? Not only crawling. Next, do crocodiles have lots of teeth? The answer is yes. Do you know how many teeth they have, Potato? Potato, do you know how many teeth they have? They have, look at here, oh. I'll show you. Potato,
You
look
have.
at how many teeth do they have? They have, come on, read.
Do they have lot of teeth?
Look at here, the one that I underlined, this one.
Between lot of teeth, they can have between 16 and 18 teeth.
Oh, see how many it is? They can have between 60 and 80 teeth. That's how many teeth they have. Next, do crocodiles eat birds? The answer is yes.
No.
Look at, they eat birds. Oh, crocodiles. Look at number 1 sentence. Crocodiles eat fish, birds,
animals sometimes.
Oh, and they eat people too. Oh. Number 6. Is it safe to go swimming with a crocodile? Yes, the answer is no. Why no, potato?
The crocodile is
Are, look at number 7. Read
is
7. Are dangerous. Again,
dangerous.
okay, because crocodiles are
Dangerous.
dangerous animals and you should never go near them or else you'll be bitten by the crocodile. You want to be eaten by the crocodile? You want the crocodile to eat you?
Yeah.
No. Yes? Oh no. You want the crocodiles to eat you? No, you might die if you'll be eaten by the crocodile. Okay, number 7. Is a baby crocodile inside its egg for 20 weeks? The answer is no. Look at text 3. A mother, please read number 3.
Among the crocodile sit on her egg got 12 weeks.
And,
Then the eggs open. The mother carried her baby crocodile into the river.
okay, that's why. So it's a no. Not 20 weeks, but only 12 weeks. Okay. Only 12 weeks. After the 12 weeks, they will be hatched. All right, so potato, let's have this one. Let's try to answer this. I have here animals in black color. Can you see the black colored animals? Okay, that could be the answer.
Yeah.
Look at example number 1. Can you please read example? It has tail. Go. Potato, read the example. It has a tail. Go.
It's like the tail.
And
It like catching moths. It sounds like hat.
what's the answer? An animal that likes to catch the mice. It's a cat. Correct.
Cat.
How about number 1? Read number 1. It,
It's,
oh wait. Potato, you enter again to
it's,
my Zoom. Wait.
it's small.
Potato, wait. You enter again, okay? So that we can have it again. Because my Zoom is about to close. Enter again, okay? Enter.
Okay.